There's a $220 billion e-commerce niche that nobody is talking about. And in today's video, we're going to dissect it entirely, but I'm even going to show you a specific trend in this niche that is absolutely booming that you could start a Shopify store around today. Or if you already have a Shopify store in this space, you can use this trend to compound your momentum. So what I'm talking about, the market, is the shorts market. So shorts, I'm talking about like the pants, is a $220 billion market, believe it or not. Isn't that insane? But here's what's crazy. There's tons of different shorts categories out there. There's sports shorts. There's just like, shorts for sleeping even, and shorts for just a million other things, right? But here is the specific trend that I want to cover today. It's the jorts trend, okay? So literal jorts. So what jorts are jean shorts. These are absolutely popping off. And I remember these being popular back when I was like a little kid. And now they're actually making a huge resurgence and peaking around this time, actually, funny enough. So you can see that they peak in June. So you have a good month to launch this and go crazy with it. Some of you guys out there that like to surf scale potentially on TikTok, this is a really good one to do. But even if you have a fashion store and you're looking for a way to build some momentum this month, this specific trend can absolutely do that for you because of the search volume, the sheer demand behind it. But what's so cool about this niche, in my opinion, is just how absolutely massive it actually is. 220 billion per year just in the shorts category is ridiculous. And again, there's always different shorts that one could target. So let me show you a variety of different stores here to get inspiration from. So the first one is Frick Eden. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've highlighted this store before because they actually they were a dropshipping store. They have a bunch of 3PL setups now. That means third-party logistics in the US and in a variety of other countries. They even have a TikTok shop now. But as you see, their traffic is insane. I mean, 1.7 million monthly visitors, pretty ridiculous. Mostly from the US, but they get traffic from everywhere in the world, which is super cool. And they just constantly drop. They're always on top of the latest trends. So it's no surprise to me that they are hopping on this jorts trend. And they're kind of combining two trends, the jorts trend and the rhinestone trend, which is basically just having these little like glitter things on your clothes. And yeah, pretty simple product page, really good product images. Again, all this stuff is so easy to replicate with AI these days. You can do it on any large language model platform, ChatGPT, Nano Banana, whatever you want to use. Here's another store called Trono. So Trono also is selling jorts. This one is a little bit more finicky. You can see they're targeting the US and the UK. They're not getting a ton of traffic, so my guess is they're doing about 6 figures a month maybe. And the reason I think that is because you'll see here some numbers. So I have an agency called Ecom, and we're growth partners with a variety of incredible ecom brands, including 9-figure ecom brands. So you see we're spending a pretty insane amount of money on meta ads and TikTok ads. We're spending a little bit there too. But not just that, through our team here at Ecom, we've been able to build our own stores. And here's one of them that is a demo store that we built for the Shopee Lab community, which is my community. It's where I like to host all sorts of ecom entrepreneurs and aspiring ecom entrepreneurs. There's a bunch of courses in there as well. And you can see we scaled the store from literal zero to $4,000 a day within 90 days. And through the traffic there for this day, we got like 1,500 visitors. So that's how I'm estimating the sales from these stores. It's not entirely accurate. I don't have access to the back end here, so we'll never really know unless I work with them and I actually get to see their back end, and then I can see it. Or if I invest in them. That's another thing I'm very big on is just literally investing into brands. So if anybody out there is interested in that, or if you have a really cool consumer product idea, or if you're a venture capital firm, whatever it is, hit me up. I'm always down to connect. Now, that was another store. Let me show you another one, though. This is, we're going to get crazy here because there's so many interesting ones. And I actually just looked up jorts on the Meta Ad Library, which is a free resource anybody can use. This is sorted by highest impressions. And you can see all the ads for this specific search query. And this is a really interesting one that I found that I think is pretty replicable, and it's a format that actually does really well. So it's this like notes format. It says reminder, jorts are back, durable denim, comfortable, whatever. I think these could even be better, the actual benefits, but hey, they're still doing pretty good. And these are $50. So again, this is not a cheap market, right? Like this is actually pretty pricey, but these guys are completely booming. So this is a really good find right here. I love finding products that are up and to the right. If you're an avid visitor of the channel, then you'll know that's kind of a thing I talk about, is up and to the right. I love up and to the right. And these guys are going up and to the right. 450,000 visitors is pretty crazy. They must be doing 2 million a month or more. And as you see, pretty interesting. They got this, one item purchase is one meal donated. So they got a nice cause here, which is pretty cool. And then some reviews. Like that's all it really is. Very, very simple setup. I love to see that. Tons of amazing reviews though. So let's actually dive deeper into this brand. I do want to see, just a little bit deeper into the kind of ads that they're running. This is sort of the research process that I follow. Now that we're here, we can go here, click on their name, go to page transparency, and then we'll go to their ads library, and you'll get to see all the ads that they run. 890 different ad results. That's a pretty amazing amount of ads. And these are actually their highest impression ads. Again, this is sorted by highest impressions. These are super easy to replicate as well. You can just copy paste it into ChatGPT and add your own product. If you need to launch your store, by the way, we do have a free store builder. It's literally free. There's no catch. And it's the same theme that we used inside Shopee Labs demo store right here that converted at 6%. And from there, I would suggest, you use something like Team Drop. That's what we use in order to source products. So Team Drop is a sourcing platform where you can literally find any product you want, and you can connect with a sourcing agent for free. This is all free, and build a product, or just, ship and source and ship a product that's already existing, like just drop shipping, for example, these shirts. That's actually a very hot product right now. And yeah, again, this is a free platform, so that's why I recommend it. And then the store builder is also free. I want you guys to just launch. Honestly, I want to get everybody out there launching their own Shopify stores, whether it's through a side hustle. If you have a 9-to-5, I think, building a Shopify store on the side is super fun. That's how I started, right? And I kind of just continue to compound that into more and more businesses around the Shopify ecosystem and the Shopify skills, such as the agency with the meta ads, right? But in particular, this is kind of how you win these days. And just in general, I think always, but taking these trends, looking at these signals, right? Signals being, for example, the search volume that I showed you on the actual jorts trend. Also a signal is just how massive the total addressable market is here with the shorts in general. And then lastly, the ads that you're seeing people running, that's another really strong signal, sorted by highest impression. The ones that have the highest impression are the ones that have spent the most money, meaning they're more likely than not the ones that are doing the best for them. Otherwise, they wouldn't be spending so much money on them. This is another really interesting offer, the 4-pack. I think that's a winning offer in this category for shirts, for really anything that has a variety of, just multiple variants. When you can pack them up into one, that tends to do quite well. So as you see, $162, that's a high AOV, really high AOV actually. And this store looks so simple, to be honest. This is a very, very simple store. It looks almost identical to the theme that you can download through the free store builder that we have at Shopee Lab. So definitely check that out. I'll leave that in the description for some of you guys. You can also join the community if you want. But incredible market, so big. Yes, one of the caveats, disclaimer, is going to be returns. But, I think that's why these guys that we just found are actually really good inspo, because I think men are less likely to return products than women. So tackling men, and they're also more underserved. This is a great template right here to follow. These guys are totally killing it. Bare bottom. Shout out to you guys. I'd love to connect. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.